Hello, how are you doing? This is Gaetan. Bonjour les amis, ici c'est Gaetan. Alors aujourd'hui, on continue avec le tofu et on a la sandwich aux œufs. Oui monsieur, oui madame. Today we have egg sandwiches made of tofu. C'est une sandwich aux œufs sans œufs. Alors voilà, pour commencer, on a le tofu. J'ai choisi du tofu ferme. This is a tofu, and I choose firm tofu. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut that in large chunk, like this and like that. For this guy, and like this, and like that, and like this for this guy. So I'm going to put this guy in the steamer. Alors je mets le tofu dans la bouilloire, dans le... Comment on appelle ça en français? Le bain-marie. Alors c'est pas... En tout cas, il y a de la vapeur qui passe. On le fait cuire à la vapeur. La deuxième chose, le deuxième batch, j'ai fait des batchs différentes parce que je vais prendre du... I have turmeric here, and I want to put some turmeric on the tofu like this, and gently brush it. This is where you have your egg sandwich going on. Alors la sandwich aux œufs sans œufs, on met du turmeric sur le tofu pour que le tofu prenne une couleur. C'est la seule raison pour laquelle on met du turmeric. Ça prend pas beaucoup de turmeric pour faire ça. Le turmeric va colorer tout ça d'un jaune spectaculaire. Alors on met ça avec les autres morceaux. Cuire à la vapeur. S'assure que les morceaux ne se touchent pas. Alors lui, il ramasse tout le reste du turmeric ici. Et on laisse cuire quelques minutes. So we have turmeric, let it cook a few minutes. Let the tofu cook a few minutes. While it's in the steamer, I will add some salt. Et puisque c'est dans la... Ça cuit à la vapeur, je rajoute un peu de sel pour que le sel pénètre le tofu. Now to know if it's cooked enough, you use a fork and you see if the fork can get into the tofu gently, nicely, without any effort. So that's good. A little bit more. So a little bit more of that, and then we'll be with you. Un peu plus, on vérifie si le tofu est cuit. Alors, il est cuit quand il devient vraiment tendre et que la fourchette, que les fourchons de la fourchette pénètrent le tofu sans effort. Alors voilà. Un peu plus de temps, un petit peu plus. Let's see what we have here. I'll turn off the heat. Ooh, nice, nice, nice. Let me take this out. And we have a chunk of yellow and white tofu. And we're going to mash it. Before we mash it, I will add garlic powder. This is garlic powder. Celery salt. Alors, je mets de l'ail granulé. Je mets du céleri, du sel assaisonné à la saveur de céleri. This is celery salt. And I'm going to start mashing like that, gently, the tofu. And as you see, we have some white, we have some yellow, we have less yellow, more white, and so on and so forth. What a nice smell. OK, You can use a fork if you want to finish the job. Alors, on utilise une fourchette pour finir les morceaux qui ont résisté au fouet. Tout est vraiment tendre. Ça a la consistance d'un œuf cuit dur. This is the consistency of a hard-boiled egg. And we're going to add some texture to it. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil. A little bit. Make it smoother. Then we'll add herbs. This is fenouil, dill. Fenouil en français. Alors, on met ça très fin, un petit peu comme ça. Et on mélange, ça ajoute une petite saveur unique, bien particulière. Quelle belle odeur. Et finalement, comme herbe fraîche, qui vient directement du jardin ici, on a du persil. This is parsley, curly parsley, grown here, fresh. I cut it from the plant about 5 minutes ago, before we started recording. And the ideal is at this point you let it cool down a little bit. And you will add my favorite condiment, Vege-naise. This is a mayo. Vege-naise, it's a eggless mayonnaise. Let's start with a little batch like this. Do you have smellorama in your house? No? What you have here is everything you need, you want in the smell of a egg salad. Oh my God, this is fantastic. Put the balance of the mayo in there. This is great. We'll taste a little bit. Make sure you have the right taste. Lovely. Alors, j'ai goûté. C'est absolument délicieux. C'est fantastique. Alors, vous avez une salade aux œufs. Elle peut être servie comme mets d'accompagnement. Ou encore, on peut la faire en sandwich. La sandwich aux œufs. So this is your egg salad. And you can serve it as a side dish for your dinner, lunch, barbecue, party. It's beautiful. Here you have it. This is eggless egg salad. And I can taste it like that, or I can take a baguette like this. Cut a little piece of baguette like this. Cut it like that. Make a nice sandwich here. Here you have it. You have the eggless salad, tofu salad, and you have the eggless egg sandwich. Alors, on a la salade aux œufs, sans œufs. On a la sandwich aux œufs sans œufs. We have eggless egg salad and eggless egg sandwich. So this is my presentation for you today. And thank you for your interest. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. And more important, please try the recipe. You will not be disappointed. And as you ask so many times, why don't you taste your food? Here I am. Little bit messy. Still chewing on it. Absolutely delicious. You don't need to add anything to it, to my taste. Thank you for watching. Merci pour regarder. Partagez la vidéo avec vos amis. Demandez-leur de s'abonner. Share the video with your friend. Ask your friend to subscribe. With every subscription that helps me produce more of these videos. Thank you. See you soon. Merci. Au revoir. À la prochaine.